So now we will be learning days in German language. How to pronounce days, daily, week, weeks, like that. So let's get started. Day is Tag. Pronunciation is Tag. T-A-G. We write T-A-G. Pronunciation is Tag. Now days will be Tage. Tage. T-A-G-E. Pronunciation is Tage. Daily, that means täglich. Täglich. Now the spelling is like T A umlaut G L I C H. Sound of L I C H is like lish. So it's like täglich. That means daily. Week, that means Woche. Week, that means Woche. Now over here, like sound of ch is like ख. So it is not वो ख. मतलब आपको ख पे लाके कोई रुकना नहीं है. It's simply you have to speak like it's weak is वो ख. It's like वो ख. You don't have to stress and then speak like वो ख. No, you have to speak like वो ख. Weeks plural, it will be woken. Weeks plural, it will be woken. Sound of ch, again I'm repeating, it will be like kh. So ch sounds like plus e, it will be sounding like ख. मतलब ch के साथ अगर e को जोड़ा जाए तो साउंड क्या करता है ख की तरह. So that word sounds like वो ख. Now G letter, when it goes at the end of any word, then it sounds like K. It's basically a rule. Like TAG, for example, TAG sounds like tak. It sounds like tak. So sound of letter G will be pronounced like K. Weekly, that means wöchentlich. Weekly, that means wöchentlich. Now O is basically carrying umlaut. That means E plus O. So it sounds like EO. So again, the spelling is like WO umlaut CHEN T LICH. So VO, Wöchentlich. So that means weekly. आपको हर सिलेबल पे ध्यान रखना है कहाँ पे मेरी साउंड ऊपर जाएगी, कहाँ पे मेरी साउंड नीचे आएगी. वीकेंड is Wochenende. Weekend is वोकनेंट, वोकनेंट, मतलब अगर आप सिलेबस को तोड़ते हो तो ये बनता है वोकनेंट, वोकनेंट, मतलब एंट, because again I'm repeating, d letter, if it goes at the end of any word then the sound will be like t, so it sounds like wochenend, that means weekend. Weekends plural, it will be wochenenten. Weekends plural, it will be wochenenten, wochenenten. Now these were the terms like which we should know, and so that they would definitely help you in your time zones. Like you want to express, like I will be going for this work weekly, or like let's say you want to say that I'll do this work on weekend, but you don't know how to say weekend, so that is something you should know these terms priorly in advance. Now the first day of the week, that is Monday, which is pronounced like Montag, Montag, that means Monday. Second, Tuesday, Dienstag, Dienstag, that means Tuesday. Wednesday, that means Mittwoch. Wednesday, that means Mittwoch. Mitt, M-I-T-T, Woch, W-O-C-H, that sounds like woke. So it sounds like Mittwoch. Thursday, that sounds like Donnerstag. Thursday, it sounds like Donnerstag. Friday, it sounds like Freitag. Friday, it sounds like Freitag. Saturday, Samstag. Now, the letter S, when it comes at the beginning of any word, the sound of letter S will change into Z. Now, this is something an alphabetical rule. That means Z की sound S में बदलती है और S letter की sound Z में बदलती है. बट अगर S letter आपका starting में आ रहा है किसी word में, then it will change into Z. Otherwise, if it is coming into between, then it will remain like same like sound like S only. But S plus T sound like stir. So it's like Zamstark. Zamstark. That means the sound of S and T sounds like stir. Sunday, it sounds like Zontag. Sunday, it sounds like Zontag. So these were the days of the week which we have learned today, and I hope like you will keep on revising them so that you won't forget the pronunciation, because moreover you have to focus on the pronunciation. If you will speak in a wrong manner, then you will learn in a wrong manner, and that will be for lifetime. But if you will speak slowly and in an accurate and a reliable and an efficient manner, then it will be life lasting for you, and you will never forget that what Germans actually pronounce these words. So you have to speak with the native sound and with the native tone. So once again, choose bis bald, auf Wiedersehen.